So what's up, you guys? And so I already opened the Party Pop Teenies, and it was absolutely so insane. There's already like a bit of confetti down, but let's kind of fix it. And I can't seem to like pull this. It says pull here, so let's try it. So now it says, which party pop will you pop? So we have to twist. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. So here's the party pop that we got. She's so beautiful, and look at all these confetti. So here's the first confetti, and that's upside down. So I have no idea what this is. We also have heart confettis. I'll put that there. We have the aqua heart confettis. Maybe turquoise, but you never know. Let's see. We have a gingerbread. And down here, we have a snow globe confetti. Well, this one looks cool. You see they're all scattered around. This one is a penguin confetti. The penguin is so adorbs. Next, we have a pink heart one. Well, it's not really a heart, but it's a kitty. I don't know why I said it was a heart. And then we have, what is this? We have the yellow golden kitty, which looks so cool. We also have a aqua kitty. I really like seeing that. There's so many different types of confetti. We have a red bunny. And then we have a star. Hang on a second, I can't get it. There we go. We have a star confetti. And then it looks like we only have two of these confettis. A gold one and a red one. I really don't know what these are called, so I just said these confettis. We also have mini cats, or are they the same shape? But I don't really know. But just absolutely look at this. She's so cute. That's so adorbs. I love her purple hair, and definitely her dress. It also looks really cool. I love the red stripes, and then she does have like some shoes, some purple, well, light purple shoes. This looks so cool. Okay, so let's see what else, what surprise we still have. And this is just series 1, but they already look so cute. And I wish there was like a collector's guide. Wait, can we take them off? No, we can't. I really wish there was a collector's guide here, or maybe we just give them our own name. So I'm gonna name this one Lila because her hair is purple. Well, purple, not perfect. Well, it is kind of perfect. And then her shoes are also in a lilac color, maybe lavender. So this is actually so adorbs. And then, why are there like cardboard? Oh, I break a piece. But it doesn't really matter because it just keeps her stay there. So Here she is. And I really wish you could take her off so that you can like play. Wait, let me see if you can actually take out like the body parts, like the hair. No, but she is really bendable, as you can see. She's bowing. Wait, let's see this. She looks like a formal ballerina. And for some reason, the confetti just popped out like nowhere. I didn't even pop out any of the last confetti, but that's okay. These are so much fun to play with, and I love confetti. A big surprise is a total big surprise. But sadly, we only have one to open, but this is already so cute. So guys, I really hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to click like and subscribe if you want more videos just like this one. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Bye!